According to the New Testament, a woven crown of thorns was placed on the head of Jesus during the events leading up to his crucifixion. It was one of the instruments of the passion employed by Jesus' captors both to cause him pain and to mock his claim of authority. Jesus of Nazareth, looking down from the cross just after he was crucified between sycophants and rabblerousers. He sees them mocking at him and scourging him, those who were torturing him and those who nailed him to the cross. Then he looked up to the sky and said to God, and one can feel the pain of his words that uttered from his lips, the words that went straight to the seventh sky where God was watching everything silently. Friends, I am a mother, and the photo here on my profile is of my late mother. For mothers and children who were crowned with thorns, I found no words so heart-piercing than these. My God, why have you forsaken me? My God, why have you forsaken me? On Mother's Day, here's a poem by me. I am Binte Sarwar. Actually, I wrote this poem on 16 April 2016. Today I am sharing it with you. Crown of Thorns. Looking up to you with zeal, I stumbled down over sprinkled thorns that were laid everywhere for me. Looking up to you with zeal, I stumbled down over sprinkled thorns that were laid everywhere for me. My forehead bruised and blackened, so the sign of serfdom reckoned, like a slave cauterized, but renounced as yet, you sanctioned me with a crown. My forehead bruised and blackened, so the sign of serfdom reckoned, like a slave cauterized, but renounced as yet, you sanctioned me with a crown. When my hands smeared in sand and dust, with a strident look you mocked at me, discrediting was your frown. My idol crippled down. When my hands smeared in sand and dust, with a strident look you mocked at me, discrediting was your frown. My idol crippled down. The soul aspired, but my heart wretched, tired, with wailing heart and bleeding hands, I pulled off from my blemished head that prickly crown of thorns. The soul aspired, but my heart wretched, tired, with wailing heart and bleeding hands, I pulled off from my blemished head that prickly crown of thorns. Binte Sarwar. Thank you. Friends, if you like my poem, please click the like button, share it with your friends and like-minded people, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Some words बात करते हैं.